Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
My brothers and sisters, sometimes Allah protects us from an enemy without us knowing, when that enemy had actually planned our downfall and probably began to execute that plan, and Allah stops them in their tracks, and we didn't know. We were resting, we were sleeping. This happens when you develop a good relationship with Allah, and when you pray what is known as your adhkar, the remembrance of Allah, or al-mu'awwidhat, those verses and prayers, supplications of protection in Allah from harm and from shaitan on a daily basis. Every morning, every evening, you must make sure you read Ayatul Kursi, or you read, for example, the last 3 surahs of the Quran. You make sure that you read some of the supplications taught by the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, and Allah at times will give you such protection that you will be amazed.
أحب الوفاء بشتى الصور أحب الوفي